Hi there, welcome back to Clean Eating Kitchen, and I'm Carrie, where I share real food recipes and tips that make you feel great. And I'm so glad that you're here today. I have been doing a lot of Instant Pot recipes, and today I wanted to share an air fryer recipe. So I'm pretty new to using the air fryer, but I'm finding that it's a really fun and easy way to make certain food items that you would normally make in your oven. So today we're actually going to make air fryer salmon, and it's just a super simple recipe. We only have a very few number of ingredients, and it really takes less than 20 minutes, and you have perfectly cooked salmon that is a little crispy on the outside and moist and perfectly cooked on the inside. So let me tell you exactly how to make it. So the first step is to grab 2 fillets of a wild-caught salmon. And I always recommend getting wild-caught salmon because that means it is more sustainably caught and you're less likely to get any of the hormones or antibiotics that is often given to farmed salmon. So if you buy your salmon frozen, you just need to defrost it in the refrigerator overnight and then remove the salmon fillets from the packaging. And then what we're going to do is just put the salmon fillets into a glass dish and pat them dry with a paper towel. And the reason we want to pat them dry is so then when we put on our sea salt and our garlic powder, it will just stick a lot better. And it's also going to remove any excess moisture. And so after we've patted the salmon dry, we're going to just brush each of the fillets with a little bit of olive oil, just about a half a teaspoon each, maybe even less. Just give the top a nice coating of olive oil. And then we are going to sprinkle on top of the salmon a little bit of sea salt, and then just a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of ground black pepper. And that is all the seasoning that we're going to need to give this air fryer salmon just a wonderful, delicious, slightly garlicky flavor. And then I like to serve the salmon with a wedge of fresh lemon for extra brightness. And so after we've seasoned the salmon, just place your salmon fillets inside the basket of your air fryer. Now, some air fryers do need to be preheated, so you could do that at about 380 to 400 degrees. And then we're going to cook the salmon fillets just for about 7 minutes. You can check the salmon after about 6 minutes and it might be fully cooked. You can always use an instant read thermometer to check and make sure the temperature reads up to 145 degrees, or you can just eyeball it and see if the salmon looks like it is opaque and cooked through. And so we just want to set the air fryer to the correct temperature and time and let it run. And then when it's finished, the salmon is ready to serve. And again, I like to serve the salmon with a little bit of fresh lemon. And then of course you can make it part of a main dish. You can serve it with steamed vegetables or cooked rice, whatever you like with your fish. And I hope that you love this recipe. I would like to create some more air fryer recipes for you if you're interested. I've created a playlist that I will link to, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.